Hi, this is Zaf. This is going to be a quick video on how to create simple email campaigns in ActiveCampaign. At the end, I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful. So keep an eye out for that later on. In the meantime, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in my ActiveCampaign account. So first of all, you click on Create Campaign. Yeah, Create Campaign. I was just checking on that. Actually, down arrow. And then we want to click on Create Campaign again. Put a campaign name, so I'm just going to put test here. Oh, a minute. Try that again. Test. And I'll leave it as standard. There's a few more options you can see here. Split testing I tend to use that for headlines and stuff like an email, subject line, should I say, and the automations. But we'll just look at this one here. So click on next again. And the easiest thing here, so just give our email subject line. So I'll just put that subject line. I'll leave the default from email. Now, when you keep creating a campaign, you be able to create it successfully. You need to have users or subscribers already in your email list for you to be able to use the campaign option. So just make sure you do that. There's a few options you can do with this. If you scroll down here, you can see we can schedule time. I track it, tracking stuff like that there. Set an address, so that's what appears at the bottom of the email. So if we click on the arrow there, and we'll just go to Classic Designer, which is the easiest option. We'll start from scratch, sorry. So this will give us a basic layout for our email. So we'll delete this option, this box here, because we don't need that. I just want this text bit at the bottom. So click on the cogwheel there and click delete this, and just yes for that. And in here, then we can highlight all this and put in our text. So put hi. If you're collecting the names in the emails for your opt-in form, you can personalize it. So something like use first name, comma, and then that'll put their first name in place with that there. Something like that. I'm just going to put, and then sign off. That's it. That's a pretty simple email there. Obviously, you can add your links in that email as well. Then we'll just click next. Wait for it to go through. Yeah, and you can either edit the design or you can test your email by clicking test and preview to the actual. So I'll just send it to your email address. See, it's past the spam check. Click close. Click send, and then test it on your mobile device to make sure it looks all okay. And that's how you create a simple campaign in ActiveCampaign.
Now, I mentioned at the start there's a free resource for you. If you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a free video that tells you a new way to create multiple streams of long-term passive affiliate commissions that's beginner friendly, requiring no prior experience, products or technical skills. If you could like, subscribe or comment, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.